We need a strict dominatrix ready to take charge. That's what we need.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Yes, sir.
Ready, go.
Once again, I'm doing all the work here, and
We're all
just
doing
watching me.
What is this?
Get the mines out of the raft, you guys. Shit.
Oh,
It's
finally.
not fucking rocket science.
I have rockets.
Wow.
Alright, that was kind of fun.
Oh,
Why you guys running this shit? Look at
I
you.
didn't even do that. That wasn't even me,
Drunk
bro.
monkey?
You're a drunk monkey. You drunk monkey. Oh no, stop it!
what? Are we going in slow motion? Yeah, we are.
Whoa,
What the
Jordan. Jordan.
And
Get
there.
in this one.
Dock it.
I'll dock it over.
Yeah.
You son of a bitch.
What?
You killed me.
You died? Now what?
Hell yeah.
Oh!
Hang on, guys!
Bum 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 bum.
I know, stop. What the fuck?
Shall be avenged!
Or will I?
I died. I wish I could kill all of you. Oh shit. Ah!
Shall be avenged! Let's do this!
Nope.
Nope.
It's too far to jump.
Hop in!
Whoa!
Why did you do that? Why'd you do that? Why do you have to come back?
Man!
Fucking
I'm
kill me.
sorry. Just
Kill him.
What a dick.
no, I can make it on my own.
You just look like Arn instead of fucking boats. They look like Arns to me.
Irons?
Arns! I think I need to Arn my clothes. Arn man! Arn my clothes!
Now for something truly awesome!
Okay.
Justice has been served! We made it!
What the fuck is that?
A cloud. Do you have
Fuck the cloud.
gun?
Shoot the cloud. Dude, I got a fucking smoke machine.
Cool, we're ready for a concert.
Woo! I'm the fucking concert dude now, bitch! Watch, I start off the lights. Soon I'll be singing.
You dick.
Free money! The politician's favorite word!
Ha! What is that?
That cluster cannon should get you over to the lighthouse!
Let's get to that lighthouse.
Let's
Using that cluster cannon. Shit. These chips, they
Joystick.
break.
Move your
Why do these,
joystick.
why do these chips just break?
Oh yeah!
You bought him.
Oh.
Did I buy
Yeah.
We're making a rainbow. End game.
Who won? I like that. Give me some more of those apples. Yeah, that chin. Yeah.
How do you get the most points? I never see you do anything,
Yeah,
I usually do everything.
which is kind of weird.
I actually do everything.
The only thing I do is die, but I still collect coins.
I do everything. I kill everything.
Yeah, I don't think so. My guns are upgraded to the max.
I killed everything that time. I got all the bolts. I collect all the Pokemons.
I don't know.
Resty.
There's a store. You can't upgrade the fucking lightning gun. So I'm just gonna save my fucking money.
I think you can upgrade it in time. But just not yet.
Okay.
do this.
What is this?
I'm gonna name you Fist.
This way. Whoa. Yeah.
Right.
Oh.
On the other side of that lighthouse is a
Oh, you waited.
that leads directly to the railway
Clever,
station.
clever. But not good enough.
Oh, what is that?
Hey, I caught one.
What? That was bullshit.
I got all the animals.
It's the King Sapien.
I'm not
Oh
afraid.
shit! Where's Kratos?
Where's Kratos?
It's reminding me of that game.
Zim! It's Zim!
Oh shit! What is the sport called?
It's Zim!
No, what is the sport called?
Water Zim.
Well, it's not really a sport, but yeah.
It is a sport.
No,
Come on, a little faster, please.
I beg to differ. Can I? Can we shoot?
Gross. Did he say child receptors?
I think we might be in the clear.
I'm serious, this is Zim. And how come he's only driving us over the thin, narrow strip of, like, the certain death?
He's an asshole. What do you expect?
Like, he could have went anywhere, but there's, like, a row of fucking death for us, and he's just like, ah, yeah, for sure.
Oh fuck! Oh, I didn't.
Whoa! Fuck,
I
at the
see
same
enough
time.
hentai to know where this is going.
Oh no.
I'm dead.
Good. You're alive.
What?
You're alive.
Oh.
There we go. See? Sometimes he just needs a little encouragement.
Shut up. Hate that fucking thing.
Here we go.
What's going on? Oh,
It's getting closer!
Oh Jesus!
Dang, Joel, take forever.
I was making it suspense.
It's your left joystick, by the way.
I was doing it the right one the entire time.
What?
I'm gonna do a sweet kickflip. Oh! Get out of here, Squidward!
I am Squidward.
Oh no! What an asshole! Turn left.
Go in the open sea where
He
we
just
won't have
goes
to worry
straight.
about this.
This is a boss fight. This is terrible.
That's terrible.
We don't even shoot it.
No, we're just gonna wait for the electricity.
Yeah.
No, Mr. Bond. I
Oh,
expect you
shit.
to die.
You keep saying that. Nothing's related to what you're saying.
Or, you know, for the person who is gonna get it, they're gonna get it and they're gonna be like, haha.
Yeah, okay.
Look at that. Yes, Zim, I am ready. My whole body's ready. What?
Okay.
That's some harsh shit.
Dude, he got his neighbor. Why does he do that to us?
I don't know. Wow, really?
He got his neighbor swallowed, and all he does about it is drive a boat around.
Damn it, Squidward! I'm Squidward. I'm Squidward. I'm Squidward. I'm sorry. I like that part where Squidward plays a ghost, and like he fools SpongeBob into thinking he's a ghost, and then he's wearing like a towel over his head, and then at the end he's like, SpongeBob, I have something to tell you, and he takes off his towel off his head. He's like, oh, you're bald. And like, no, I'm not bald. Okay.
Get out of here with that shit story. Fast forward this.
It's an episode.
I do know exactly what you're talking about, though.
I
Edit
like
this
that
out.
part.
Edit all this out.
And then all the people are there for his funeral, and he tells the people to go home. He's like, go home. He's like, okay, oh man.
Edit all this out. Edit all of it.
Nope, I'm gonna edit you out saying that, by the way.
Edit it out. Edit all of it.
I'm not getting hit. Woo! For the first time.
Dude,
Awesome.
there's nothing there even.
You guys know you can double jump, right?
Come on.
Yeah!
Just ski right into it and let physics do the rest.
Shut the fuck up. Really?
Woo! Ratchet.
I died. How?
Let the townsfolk know they can come back home.
Get the fuck out of here. Oh, now you turn, asshole.
Now he drives out where it's safe.
Now he swivels. Like that mop swivel.
I caught one.
Yeah, I caught one. How about that? I caught another one.
Peace.
Deuces.
I'm going to the motherfucking lighthouse.
Wait for me, guys.
No.
No, you have low health. You're a
And you're
liability.
fat. Get out of here.
Like in Left 4 Dead. Oh shit!
Oh, Jesus.
Now you need me, don't you?
No.
Help us!
Get eaten.
Okay.
Help us by getting eaten.
That thing doesn't have a neck.
He has a present for us.
It has 2 necks. Oh damn! No,
Yes,
it's
eat
him.
her. Did he eat her?
Yeah.
Oh, man. He's gonna. I hope we don't have to go inside of the stomach.
I really gotta pay closer attention.
Suck.
Oh, here we go. Platformer.
Oh, you whipped that shit.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Can we still walk
no.
over it? Yeah, we can. What's the point of her smacking it?
To scare us? I'm not even
Where
afraid.
is-
Look, I don't even slow down. I didn't even slow down running.
This is scary shit.
I jump at the chance.
I don't think you can hurt us with that whip thing.
Now we fight for the mountain.
Establish dominance. Establish some dynamos. Fuck it. You know what I mean.
Nope.
He has a button to push. Get away from it.
Wait, do we shoot these things? Yeah, we can. Alright. Oh, fuck, no!
Ow. Those do 2 damage. Careful.
Wait, we're on a raft again, aren't
What?
we?
There's a hole there.
Maybe we should push those things into the hole. No. There you go. Woo! Throw her in the middle.
I died again.
We broke it.
No, you gotta incapacitate them first.
Yeah! Wait, what's going on? Are we feeding it or?
I'm unsure as to what
Joe, don't
exactly
burn
is
'em.
happening.
Josh is freezing them. They're breaking.
Shoot them with your default gun.
Copy it. Ratchet. All right, pal. Fire when ready.
What the fuck's going on?
I don't know.
Oh, no.
Yeah, there you go.
The first of Crank's exposed. Activate the beacon.
Alright, now we got this thing.
Bacon.
Hurry up.
Guys, over here.
God damn it, robot.
I'm sorry.
No, you don't tell me. What are you guys doing?
I don't know. It made it seem like it was important.
Oh, man. Now we can shoot him. Feed him to his fucking mouth.
Don't jump into his mouth.
Oh, yeah, I did the same thing.
Oh, what? I survived that. Who saw that? How did that
Can you guys shoot
happen?
with your regular gun? It just pushes them.
No, that's pushing with the flamethrower.
I'm pushing them with this.
Fuck! Feet you're chewing on.
I think that's,
He still wants more. Who the fuck is on
freezing them! Stop freezing them! Clank! Oh, he ate bullets. There he goes.
All systems are operational.
I guess this food is quite shocking.
Oh, wow. That's calling it even for me.
I find the dish
You're allergic to
electric.
I'm good. Oh dear. How shocking.
pork. Oh, God.
Oh!
This fucking guy.
I'm glad someone's on my side.
Why?
He said a corny and shocking joke.
No, I'm dead. No, wait, never mind. I made it.
Why the fuck are you going shooting the opposite way?
Shoot it!
I can't shoot the opposite way. There's no way to shoot the opposite.
You're shooting them the opposite way. The hole's in the middle. You're shooting to the sides.
Oh, no.
Don't die, Joe.
It didn't take more than a few months to get past these ants. I'm ready.
Oh, sorry.
You have to activate the lighthouse beacon. Turn the Mercer crank, rookies.
Oh, I guess we do have to move it. You can just walk, though.
Hey, there's a gas trap to him.
Open your fucking mouth.
Clank's in trouble. I have to
How come he keeps calling us rookies?
Because you are.
Hey, wouldn't that little girl be being hurt by all this electricity coming down the stomach?
Okay, don't get hit.
Commence rejoicing. President
Whoa, little girl.
here to save you.
What does the monster expect us to do when he opens his mouth? Does he want us to
Beat
just
him.
climb in there?
Feed him.
I hope he explodes into a bloody mess.
Do we help him?
Um,
Give him the Heimlich.
Look, he has a turtle in the back.
Alright, let's go figure this out.
He's down. All right, rookies. Hit him with everything you got.
That's
Shit
true.
fucked up.
No, your hands, I need them.
Out there, King. The other shippy ants will migrate away from Octonauts.
That wasn't even bad.
Yeah, look at that. Hey, did you see that? Yeah. Look at that some more. Yeah. Uh-huh.
What happened?
What? 100% loan backs.
What does that mean?
Hero. That is you.
I'm the true hero, see?
I'm
Yeah.
an immortal.
And Joe's just the guy who collects everything, just like always. But I'm the true hero!
Like those long-nosed rats.
All I care about is being first.
Like Jordan.
I know you don't care about being first because you never get it.
It's off to Terror's
I'm the
You're
hero!
really is in control of Ephemeris.
I thought it was a platform. I forgot it was a monster.
I'm ready for your trickery now, Mr. Bond. And I expect you to die.
That was horrible.
Hey, it's Zim. He made it. He's our version of that Jar Jar.
Wow.
Do you see this coming?
Yes.
Bum, 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 bum,
I didn't even miss it.
bum, 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 bum.
Don't let him go over there.
I don't even know what's going on right now.
We will not hurt you.
I'm so high. I don't even know what's going on.
Oh dear, that poor Tharpod.
What the fuck? Wait, I could do this. Mine!
Fuck, that's some bullshit.
Meet my friend, the warmonger.
Am I dead? I'm in the water.
Did you survive? Or are you in the water?
You know, I'm actually starting to like it here. Sure, it's a dangerous planet riddled with murderous robots and exotic predators, but take away all that. What do you have? A presidential retreat / water park.
Kill him now? No. I can make it look like an accident. How? Ratchet. All right, no.
He asks how. What the fuck?
Ooh.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna kiss you.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hang on, rookies. We're picking up some kind of electromagnetic interference. Switching to emergency channel.
Alright.
Sweet criminy, that was weird. What the heck was that? Looks like those rocks are emitting some sort of aberrant energy signature.
Average energy signature.
800 decatones, 1200 decatones. Son of a crick,
The
we
colors.
got linked. Dr. Croyd must have stumbled across a new form of energy. What does it mean when my blaster starts clicking?
Uh-oh. Snails.
More than that, snails
And
with claws.
no. I used to live in my backyard all the time.
What?
Oh, you don't have snails? Are you dying?
You dying.
Can I have your stuff?
Also, no.
Damn
You
it.
dying, Josh.
Fuck, man.
Dying hurts, huh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it hurts.
Nice.
It hurts so good.
I didn't get any points that time. I still need 60,000.
Hold on, hold on. I don't even know how much the elite mode is on the guns I have.
I'm on 60,000.
Buy it.
No, I want this.
This will come in handy.
Hold on, I need to take a drink.
I have
Nice
your
long
back,
swig.
Ratchet.
Oh, okay.
Ratchet, take cover.
Ew! Get all these mothers.
Do I have to declare any of this on my tax return?
This is
No.
still right.
According to the database, this doohickey is called an
There's a lot you don't have to return on your Clack Surf
Freud
hand.
designed it as a children's play toy for use in hostile environments. Give it a try. It may help you through the forest.
Like under the table earnings, for example.
Okay.
Adorable
Oh!
I'm dead.
It says here those Tesla orbs conduct and emit powerful electrical charges. Just steer one near one of those power amplifiers
Oh, over
to
here.
complete the circuit.
I get it. It all makes perfect sense.
Hurry up, Joe. What the hell?
Damn it, Joe! Don't you get the transmogrifier power thing? The circuits.
I hope this is fun because I'm bored.
Yeah.
Josh isn't enjoying it.
I'm doing it. I'm right
Circle.
here. Look at that.
What the fuck? Oh, we can jump? Oh,
Oh no, that stops it.
yeah. What are we supposed to do? Hold circle?
Oh, let me go around in a
What
circle,
the
see
hell?
happens.
Oh wait, I think we charge up and then we leave.
Oh.
Don't jump.
You jump. Oh wait, that one's already matched. Wait, no, what the hell?
We go this way or go this
Or oh, we link it. Yeah, yeah. I'm smart.
Alright, calm down there, Link. You've solved one puzzle.
I am ready.
Let's go.
I'm ready.
You don't turn it. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
You don't know.
You don't know.
Well, first, I'm gonna get these up boxes.
Are you first, or are you don't know? Because you
Doesn't he
are
know that we're in the
first.
ball and that doesn't hurt us anymore?
don't jump.
Oh shit! Them teeth.
I will help you.
Damn it.
Oh shit!
Look at
Those fragments seem to be augmenting that creature's strength.
Oh,
Fuck.
who's dead?
I'm not dead yet, but I'm
Alright.
gonna be soon.
This is
This keeps up.
This freezes it? That's some fucking bullshit.
We're playing offline. What do you expect?
You thunder! Thunder!
Take that, bitch. Ice.
Yeah, that thunder's pretty cool. Look at that.
It does
I
look
don't know.
pretty
I don't
cool.
even know.
I ran out there.
Playing Guitar Hero on my ice axe.
I'm down. Joe, pick us up. Or me. Thanks.
Alright.
Oh boy. Now's the time to run out of ammo. Okay. I believe I require ammunition.
I got you, Max. Oh, you're not down.
open fire.
Boom!
Pretty sure I killed him on my own.
Yep.
Signature is the rocks. Eating them must have caused some sort of mutation.
Look at that texture, son.
Or Evo is
Look at all those blocks.
What?
Why? What are you doing? You crazy,
I was a
man?
martyr. I died a hero.
No.
I died a hero's
You
death.
suicided.
Like, I'll get 72 versions.
What?
Oh, Jesus.
What? That's not politically incorrect.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. That's my religion. How dare you call my religion politically incorrect?
Oh,
is.
God.
You're the wrong one.
Anyways.
I'm gonna name you
What is that?
I'm over here.
How are you doing that?
I don't know.
So this jackass gets on the road.
Ammunition acquired.
Get my fire.
You're fired.
He ain't so tough.
Ah.
Idea?
How's
How's
my fist?
my fish?
Josh, your part of the ammo is the only thing available.
Sorry.
No, get the ammo.
Oh, sorry.
Down. Alright, let's go. Pick up the joke! What's this? It's a store. Forward. Huh?
Boss fight? Yeah, boss fight.
Oh shit.
Looks like a
My robotic friend.
thunder smack.
Thunder! Thunder! Where am I? I'm dead.
Thundercats. Mo. So kawaii.
You're fired.
Thunder! Thunder! Ah.
Thundercats. Mo.
Who else has thunderstorm?
Oh, I do.
I'm shooting the shit out of it.
I don't feel so good. I'm out.
Oh!
I'm down.
I got you. I tried. Hold on.
2, 1.
Oh! Oh! There you go.
Well, there was a goner.
See? You thought you were a goner.
And you're not. We are the heroes.
We got incoming.
Free money. The politician's favorite word.
I'm glad I have my sidekick with me. All this
Oh,
killing
you
would
have
be
a
hard.
decoy. I forgot about it.
It's not a decoy.
I have a decoy.
Oh, you have a decoy.
Yes.
Cause mine little.
Yes.
Cause this food rides
Here
it out
comes
with
big
me.
guy. I'll just stand right here and shoot. Oh,
No! My ally exploded.
he couldn't handle the truth.
Couldn't handle a lot of
Come on. Gotta give him those balls. Yeah. Bum 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 bum.
Understand.
Luca,
Yeah.
doobity-doo. I have
Go.
another question for you.
Yeah.
What do
Fuck.
Take that.
Yeah.
Ratchet and Ho?
Whoa.
What?
Square.
They're not nasty-headed.
Square. You guys suck. Really, you guys really suck.
How did I press square and it popped me off?
You
I
guys-
own it platformers, alright?
You guys and you suck.
You suck.
You suck.
You
Let's-
suck.
Why don't you press circle and suck?
I tried, it's not working.
Oh jeez.
It's Mr. Biggs.
You got them laser hounds.
Hey, that's his name, isn't it? No, that's Mr. Peabody.
It's the Iron Giant.
Oh, what the fuck?
You stay. I go. Shit.
Oh,
Oh, dude,
Guns bad. He's helping
don't
us
make
out.
me. Don't put me on a field trip, all right?
Thanks, Vin Diesel. You're the best.
Don't put me on a field trip.
Damn it. I died.
You stay.
Vin Diesel wasn't Bush Bot, was he?
Yes, he was.
Go. Wait, was
Yeah,
he really?
Yeah.
He was the Iron Giant?
Yes, he was.
Fucking bullshit. No.
Yeah.
No. That's not true.
He was a part of my
That's not
childhood.
true.
Yes, he was.
That's
Vin-
impossible.
Vin Diesel was the Iron Giant. You stay. I go. I live my life a mile at a time. Yeah,
But
dude.
he was Superman.
How can you guys not know that? Check me out.
Little help here, guys?
Iron Giant was awesome.
What? Am I captured? Iron Giant really was awesome.
It really was. Whoever doesn't like the Iron Giant, I hate you.
They're heartless. I don't care
Yeah,
to know you. I don't want to know you at all.
It's,
If you do not like the Iron Giant, we're not compatible as people.
You're not
Good
even
people.
human.
Hit it again. Because I told you to. Damn it, Joel. Stay on your duties. Boom! I hit mine immediately because you guys suck. You can't even do right. Look at you. Look at you. Especially Joel.